Blackness Castle sits on a rugged rocky outcrop pushing out into the Firth of Forth, and if you look at the geography, it's actually very similar to places like Broughty Castle. Narrow waters, commanding views, natural defences, the perfect spot to guard movement along the river. Long before modern weapons, controlling places like this meant controlling trade, travel and power itself. So, you're inside, and then, well, we love a well.
There's a staircase. They built a staircase that spiraled up.
It's a spiral staircase going up. And we've always got to find the toilet. Here's the toilet. Look. And that's the thing people often miss with castles like Blackness. They weren't randomly placed. Medieval builders used the landscape brilliantly. Here the bedrock itself becomes part of the fortification, the walls almost growing straight out of the volcanic rock beneath it. Peak medieval military engineering, working with the terrain instead of fighting against it. This area has been strategically important for thousands of years. Just along the coast at Cramond, Roman fort, the Romans maintained an outpost on the northern frontier of their empire. Different civilizations, different countries, but the exact same understanding of geography. Control the coastline, control the movement. And using the drone here really gives you perspective on just how dominant the castle is. From above you can properly see why Blackness became known as the ship that never sailed. The whole fortress was deliberately designed to resemble a great stone ship jutting out into the Forth. From a distance, especially from the water, its long narrow profile and high stern-like walls make it look almost like a warship anchored permanently to the coastline. The castle we see today mostly dates from the 15th century, built under the Stuart kings, and over the centuries it's been everything from a royal fortress to a prison, a garrison, and later even adapted for modern military use. It kept being reused because the location had never stopped mattering. And honestly, standing here today or seeing it from the air, you can understand why. The wind off the Forth, the cliffs, the dark volcanic stone, it still feels like a place built to watch the water.